What if everything you thought you knew was a lie? From the moon landing to secret underground bunkers, these conspiracy theories have sparked debates for years. Some dismiss them as pure fiction, while others claim there's undeniable evidence. Let's break down 5 of the craziest conspiracy theories that might just change how you see the world. Theory number 1, the moon landing was faked for decades. Skeptics have claimed that NASA staged the 1969 Apollo 11 moon landing. Here's why. The flag controversy. In official footage, the American flag appears to be waving as if there's wind, something that shouldn't happen in the moon's vacuum. NASA explains this as the result of the flag's metal frame being disturbed when astronauts planted it. No stars in the photos. Critics argue that the sky in the moon landing photos is mysteriously empty, with no visible stars. NASA's response? The camera settings were designed to capture bright objects like the astronauts and lunar surface, making distant stars too faint to appear. The shadows look off. Some claim the lighting in the footage is inconsistent, with multiple light sources suggesting the scene was filmed on a soundstage. Skeptics argue this means artificial studio lights were used, while NASA states the uneven terrain caused the shadow distortions. Despite these claims, experts say the evidence overwhelmingly supports the moon landing being real, especially with subsequent missions and lunar samples brought back. But does the controversy still leave room for doubt? Theory number 2, the Mandela effect. Proof of alternate realities? Have you ever remembered something a certain way, only to find out it was never like that? This strange phenomenon, known as the Mandela effect, has convinced some people that we're shifting between alternate realities. Nelson Mandela's death. The term comes from a widespread false memory that Nelson Mandela died in prison in the 1980s, when in reality he passed away in 2013. The Berenstain Bears versus the Berenstein Bears. Many swear the famous children's book series used to be spelled Berenstein instead of Berenstain. The Monopoly Man's monocle. A lot of people distinctly remember the Monopoly mascot having a monocle, but he never actually did. C-3PO's silver leg. Star Wars fans were shocked to learn that C-3PO has always had one silver leg in the original trilogy, despite most people remembering him as completely gold. Some believe this is proof of glitches in our reality, evidence that we've slipped into parallel universes where history has changed ever so slightly. Scientists, on the other hand, argue that this is just a case of collective false memories and how the human brain processes information. But what if there's more to it? Theory number 3, the Denver Airport's secret underground bunker. The Denver International Airport, DIA, is one of the strangest places in the US, sparking countless conspiracy theories. Creepy murals and symbols. The airport is filled with eerie murals depicting apocalyptic scenes, war, and a new world order taking over. Some believe these artworks contain hidden messages foreshadowing global catastrophes. Underground bunkers for the elite. The airport is unusually large, and reports suggest that massive underground tunnels exist beneath it. Some claim these tunnels are secret bunkers built for world leaders in case of a global disaster. The mysterious horse statue, Lucifer. Outside the airport stands a giant, demonic-looking blue horse with glowing red eyes. The statue actually killed its creator when a piece fell on him during construction, adding to its sinister reputation. The Freemason plaque. A dedication plaque inside the airport has Masonic symbols and references to the New World Airport Commission, a name that doesn't exist. Conspiracy theorists believe this is a direct link to the Freemasons or the Illuminati. While officials claim that the airport's quirks are just artistic choices, many still believe DIA is more than meets the eye. Could it be hiding something bigger? Theory number 4, the government is controlling the weather, HAARP. Some people believe that extreme weather events, like hurricanes, earthquakes, and wildfires, aren't just natural disasters, but deliberate acts of weather manipulation by powerful governments. What is HAARP? The High Frequency Active Auroral Research Program, HAARP, is a U.S. research facility in Alaska designed to study the ionosphere. Officially, it's meant for scientific research, But conspiracy theorists think otherwise. Claims of weather warfare. Some believe HAARP's technology can be used to create hurricanes, earthquakes, and droughts as a form of warfare or population control. Strange sky patterns. After certain natural disasters, people have reported unusual cloud formations, flashes of light, or rapid temperature shifts, which some think are signs of HAARP's involvement. Hurricane Katrina and other disasters. There are claims that HAARP played a role in intensifying Hurricane Katrina in 2005, and even triggering earthquakes like the one in Haiti in 2010. While most scientists dismiss these claims as baseless, the idea of governments experimenting with weather isn't far-fetched. After all, cloud seeding, manipulating clouds to produce rain, is a well-documented practice. Could HAARP be an extension of this on a much larger scale? Theory number 5, the simulation theory. Are we living in a video game? What if our entire reality is just an incredibly advanced simulation? This theory, popularized by scientists and tech moguls like Elon Musk, suggests that we might be living in an artificial world, just like a video game or the Matrix. Computing power advancements. If technology keeps advancing, we could eventually create simulations so realistic that they're indistinguishable from real life. What if an advanced civilization already did this and we're inside one? Unexplained phenomena. Strange occurrences like déjà vu, sudden glitches in memory, or bizarre coincidences make some people wonder if these are signs that our world isn't real. Mathematical evidence. Some physicists claim that our universe follows strict mathematical rules, almost as if it's coded like a computer program. Could this mean we're inside a simulation created by beings far beyond our understanding? NPC theory. Ever noticed how some people seem to act in robotic, predictable ways? The NPC, non-playable character theory, suggests that not everyone in our world is real. Some could just be background characters in the simulation. Whether or not we're living in a simulation, the fact that this theory is taken seriously by scientists is mind-blowing. If it's true, who or what is controlling the simulation? And what happens if we figure it out? Which of these conspiracy theories do you find the most convincing? Are they just crazy ideas, or could there be some truth to them? Let me know in the comments. And if you love diving into the unexplained, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more mind-blowing content.